It's the only cooking show where everything is a guesstimate. I'm Waylon. This is Wake and Bake. Good. We're getting to that sad part of the season where Starbucks stops offering their s'mores frap for whatever ungodly reason. And you don't know if they're going to bring it back next year. They sell the little bottles of it that are pre-made, but they suck and don't really taste correct. So today, we're going to be trying making one at home. So, first things first, you gotta get the coffee. This is a regular coffee pot. This is the coffee we're using today. This is the vanilla Starbucks. And what I do is I just pour a bunch of it into a coffee filter. I don't want it to taste watered down because you can always, if it's too strong, you can always add sugar and creamer and milk. But if it's watered down, there's absolutely nothing you can do and it's just going to taste nasty. Alright, well I still can't quite see everything I'm doing, and I'll probably be blocking it with my big fat stupid head. So, coffee filter's in there, pour about, just count with me, fill about the whole bottom of it and then make it a little pile. Maybe 1/16, 1/8 of the coffee filter filled with coffee, and then you take whatever cup you're going to be using. And as authentic as possible, I'm going to be using this tumbler because they sell little tumblers there, and this is the closest thing I have to that. However much coffee you might be using, I'm going to start with this much because I'm baby. I don't put that much coffee in my coffee beverages. Now, you need a blender. This one's the oyster. I think, is this in right? I really don't understand. Like, get all over the damn place. Okay. So we've got some ice in here. I think I first need to start with crushing up the ice. That's scary. Next, I'm gonna put in the coffee. It looks a little bit watered down, so I hope it doesn't taste terrible. And you want to put in some creamer. Using caramel macchiato because that's what I have, but I'm pretty sure they just use vanilla for the stuff, but that's more like it. And some milk. This is my milk. Lactose intolerant gang. Also add sugar. Tolerant, so gonna add a little thing of sugar here. Alright. Let's take the top, hold that down, and milkshake, I guess. Well, don't do that. Now this step is optional, but it seems as though I may have blended some plastic into my drink. Don't know why it's designed in a way that when you press down on the lid goes into the drink. But we're gonna take a colander and put it. This is Marshmallow Creme. I'm gonna take that. Very nice. I don't know how much. I'm gonna put some. Next, they put in some chocolate syrup, I think. So I'm just gonna do a little bit of those. Alright, here's my plastic freeze coffee. I hope. There might be some tiny shards in there. But most of it did get stopped by the colander. I think that might be one. Yeah. Oh god, there's little ones. Can't wait for those to go into my lungs. Alright, I've sifted through this for literally 45 minutes. And I've gotten most of the plastic out of it. I can't make a new one because now the blender's broken. And it's already 1:30. Way too late to be drinking coffee. So I'm just gonna finish this up and let you know how it tastes, minus the bits of plastic. I'm gonna try and pour it very thinly so oh, just saw some go in. No going back now, I guess. Oh. Okay. Then we're gonna put whipped cream and crushed graham crackers on top of it. Alright, we're gonna try and hurry because my camera only has 4 minutes of battery left! And the whipped cream is moldy! Alright, I guess we're not gonna have whipped cream on this. Plastic shards, that's fine, but mold is where I draw the line. Marshmallow cream can kind of double as whipped cream because it floated all to the top. These are graham crackers I had a grand time crushing. Where's the lid to this thing? Oh shit, 1 minute? See, it has not been 3 minutes, so don't know what my camera battery's doing. This whole thing is covered in shards of plastic. It tastes fine, it's just this fucking plastic shards that don't feel good. It honestly tastes pretty close, so yeah, you know that. Bye!